Has not returned since. Oh, Roca Curva! Gonzalez nakabuelo. That Abundo. Here come the Quezon Oscars. Lastimosa puts it on the deck. Runner by Carlo off the glass and in.
Ang pagtimo ni Pamboy, ito naging resulta para sa Binyan. Oh, wow!
Na muna siya idol ngayon. Saka na ulit. Ping said, abangan nyo ang dalawang yan. Talagang malayo ang mararating.
Double-digit rebound performance.
LJ knocks down a free.
But I guess that really is, you know, how they plan on those kind of action. May libreng tres sa kabila, ipapasa mo.
Pam Lopez about similar. Mamaya ngayon si Coach Juan Nitz. But you see that shot go in for Renza Sobido. Kapanal, susugod. Bumps Mike Maestre but fails to convert. Put back though from Christian Pagaran.
Obviously, ang Binyan gumagamit ng oras ngayon. They are taking the shot when it reaches roughly below 10 seconds. That's when they start attacking.
Para sa Quezon. Gonzalez nakabuelo. That's too easy for LJ but bad landing there pero ipapagpag lang yan. 47-36. 11-point lead. Boy. Working on Alvin Abundo. Pasa muna kay Maestre. Behind the back dribble, Maestre puts it up. Rebound ending up with RJ Minerva. Abundo. Here come the Quezon Oscars. First basket from the former MVBL MVP Kapanal.
And ang Binyan really is itawid ang bola sa half court. You know, maraming pasahan, misdirect. Tapos sa final 10 seconds, doon sila magsisimulang umatake.
Another shot. Oh my goodness. Roca Curva.
Okay. Si Simon naman ang sabi, nung game 1, idol ko pa talaga si Kuya Coach Ping. Pero masyado niyang ginaligan sa series na to. Di ko na muna siya idol ngayon. Saka na ulit. Ping said, abangan niyo ang dalawang yan. Talagang malayo ang mararating. Ken, Coach Mike.
Right on cue, Mika. Mark Ping is going right at Simon Sandagon. He scores. And after he made that shot and has not returned since. Oh, Roca Curva with an acrobatic finish. Binyan with a 13-point lead, 53-40. Pingris offering that screen. Lastimosa puts it on the deck. Runner by Carlo off the glass and
In the playoffs, for the very first time, has a double-digit rebound performance.
LJ knocks down a free. Still some life.
And a really good pagtimon para dito sa Binyan. You also have to recognize that because kung hindi niya ginawa yun, it would have been off to the races on fast breaks for the Huskers. But dahil sa magandang pagtimon ni Pamboy, ito naging resulta para sa Binyan. Oh, wow!
LJ with his second free of the quarter. 12 points for LJ Gonzalez. Baba sa 10 ang lamang. This is still not over. A minute and 36 left. And Raimundo turns the ball over.
Go against Pamboy.
LJ loves it up. Will Gozov scores underneath. 6:48, 8 puntos. Ang kailangan pang habulin ng Quezon. That's back-to-back miscues from Pamboy Raimundo. Raimundo to Roca Curva. They have to cross the timeline. Intercepted by Kapanal. Swing pass. Gonzalez. The fake. The drive. Lays it up and in. Lead is down to 5.
That was a good decision by LJ, opting for the higher percentage shot.
Roca Curva getting past the defense. No need to foul if you're Quezon. Pingis stepping on the baseline.
They're gonna challenge this, and rightfully so, because napakahalaga nito.
Turnovers. Kanina, mas marami yung Quezon, but Binyan has caught up to that. In fact, 3 more turnovers resulting to 21 turnover points. Will Gozom, this is big! Too strong. But Joshua Yero caught stepping on the baseline. 0.5 seconds left. Pinasok ni Coach Boyet si JJ Pido. Additional ball handler. Crossing the timeline. Lost it. Will Gozom got it back, but he will turn the ball over. Double team.
Foul.
They push from Campanal. They are in penalty, so Roa Corva potentially, well, just to
Pido. And that indeed was a foul on Gap.
Kenny Roa Corva. Just 5 out of 9 from the line. Does have 11 points. This is still not over. This is just 2 possessions, even if it makes the second free throw.
In the playoff, Kenny's been an 82% free throw shooter of all the playoff games that they played since the first round.
He needs to make this to create some cushion for Binyan. He does not. Buhay pa ang Quezon. Gonzalez. 13 seconds left. LJ pulls up. Long three-pointer. Too strong. Tip-in is good. 7.6 seconds left. Binyan, no more timeouts. Quezon needs to foul. Time not on their side, and they do foul JJ Pido with 3.1 seconds remaining. They still have 1 timeout. Pero Quezon,
You missed this.
you make this, I think, if you're JJ Pido. It makes it a 2-possession game.
Yes. There you go.
And he does. Timeout Quezon. LJ will trigger it in.
There's that pin in.
Altamsi.
That's the shot.
Oh! He misses! And that's gonna do it. Warren Bonifacio flirting with disaster, but for the second